Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL. 2:19 p.m. CST Wednesday, February 22, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 2:19 p.m. CST Wednesday, February 22, 2023. Wind advisory now in effect until midnight CST tonight. What? South winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 35 to around 45 miles per hour expected. Where? In Alabama, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Morgan, Cullman, Marshall, Jackson, and DeKalb counties. In Tennessee, Franklin, Moore, and Lincoln counties. When? Until midnight CST tonight. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs and some small trees could be blown down, causing power outages. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and